In this video, we're going to analyze famous quotes from anime. Today, we're going to look at Eren's quote from Attack on Titan, Shingeki no Kyojin. First, let's watch the scene and then we're going to check the grammar. So Eren says, この裏切り者が. この is a pronoun meaning this, always followed by a noun. So as an example, この犬 means this dog. But when the following noun has a negative meaning and when it's set to the second person, it just means you, showing expression of frustration or anger. 裏切り者 actually comes from 裏切り者, which means traitor. The verb 裏切る is to betray, and 者 is a person, which makes 裏切り者 a person who betrays, hence a traitor. But Eren shortened 者 and turned it into 門, which sounds more aggressive. So the last part, が, I think a lot of people learn this particle as a subject particle. For example, 天気がいい, meaning the weather is good. But this が after a noun with a negative meaning implies swearing or expression of anger. It is also important to note that in this usage, you do not continue the sentence after が. So, この裏切り者が literally means you traitor, but due to the strong expression used, in English, I would say you fucking traitor is the closest translation. Also, a few other examples using the same grammar are この役立たずが or このバカが. Although I don't recommend using these words unless you're really annoyed by someone. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.